How to change the name of your Galaxy Watch 8 using the wearable app when connected to either your Samsung phone or an Android phone. All right, so first you want to make sure that your Watch 8 is connected to not only just the phone, but with the wearable app itself. And I'm talking about this app right here. Make sure you have this app on your phone. And once you go into the app itself here, you will see your watch, the watch name. Then from here, go down to where it says watch settings right there. And as you're here, you're gonna see this here. Of course, make sure you are signed in to your Samsung account and go down until you see the bottom area that says About Watch right down here. Now, once you're here now, you're gonna see all this and you're gonna see the part that says rename. So when you reach to the renaming part here, go into rename and type in what you wanna call it, okay? And I'm gonna call my watch the Subscribe Watch because Subscribe 8 because it's the Watch 8 and I want you to subscribe, like, and sub if this guide helped you out in any way. And now my watch is going to be called that. You put it to what you want it to be. And if this guide again helped you out in any way, like and sub. This also works the same for the Watch 7 if you have the latest One UI 8.0, and that is that, like and sub.